If your Icon Pet cordless vacuum isn't picking up dirt, there's a few things you can check. First, make sure your machine is turned off. Then check if the filters are clean. See steps in our filter maintenance video. Also, check your vacuum for clogs by removing the foot and extension wand from the hand vacuum. Clear any debris if necessary before reassembling. Make sure your dirt tank is seated properly on your machine by removing the tank and reseating it. If dirt is escaping from your vacuum, you could have a full dirt tank. See steps in our emptying the dirt tank video